Hi everyone. Now let's talk about ETL testing process. So similar to other ETL testing process, ETL also go through the different phases. The different phases of ETL testing process you will be able to see in this diagram. So the business requirements, first of all, you need to understand. So what your requirements the client is expecting, they are expecting the sales data, they are expecting the HR data, or they are expecting the accounting data, or they are expecting for another department the hiring data. So once you understand their business rules, that what exactly the how many records they are expecting for moving towards the source system to the target system, everything you need to get the clarity in this stage now. So once you get the clarity in terms of business requirements, then you need to plan for your estimation. So in the estimation phase, our primary goal must be we need to make our test plan. And when we are making a test plan, our job must be we need to specify how many days it will take for moving the and loading the data, how many days we need to understand the business requirements, what will be the process for sharing the progress, and then we need to also estimate the time with respect to applying the transformations now. So all those stuffs we are measuring under the umbrella of test planning and estimation. And the next step here, we are doing our major stuff for designing the test cases now. And here we need to preparing the test data. And once we preparing the test data, then we need to execute and we need to report the bug. Like when we are loading the data from extracting the data towards the source system to the target system, and if there will be any bugs are coming, we need to report them. And after that, we need to present our summary report in front of our QA manager. And at the last, this is how we need to close our testing activities after validating and verifying each and every single business rules and the transformation that everything must be produced same as per expected results now.